In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an indicator in TradingView using ChatGPT. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open ChatGPT, and of course, you want to start a new chat, and this is where you basically have to tell it what type of indicator you want to create. So it's literally that simple. You can just enter your chat over here where it says ask anything, and you can get started. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to type in, I'm creating a indicator for TradingView, okay? So I'm just going to type it, please help me. There we go. And then I'm going to type in, for example, I want a Bollinger Band indicator, okay? Of course, if you have like multiple different specific things you want to add to that indicator, you can also tell it that. I'm just going to go very simple. So I'm just going to say, of course, I'm creating an indicator for TradingView. Please help me. And then that I want a Bollinger Band indicator, and it's going to create one, of course, however it wants. Now, if you want something specific, make sure you type it in. You can go as long as you want and as much detail as you want, okay? Now, when you do that, click on this button to send the prompt, wait for a few seconds, and it's going to basically prompt it for you. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to start this Pine script over here. Now, it's going to basically give me this one over here. This is like the standard one. And then we have this alternative over here as well. Now, what you have to do is then copy this code using either this copy button, or you can just highlight over it and right click and copy. So it's up to you. I'm going to copy it like this. Then you want to go back to TradingView and you want to click on this Pine editor down here at the bottom right. If you don't see it, click on the products and then click on Pine editor from here. Then you want to go and click on whatever's open right now, and you want to click on create new and then indicator. Now here you want to remove whatever's in here, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to paste in what we copied from ChatGPT. Now notice how it's going to copy in the code, and if I now click on add the chart over here, it's likely going to give me some errors. Now in this case, it didn't, because ChatGPT did a very good job. As you can see, this actually are Bollinger Bands over here. It created those for me, and that's my very own indicator I created inside TradingView. Sometimes it's going to tell you that the version is not correct, so you may have to correct this to, for example, 6 over here, and then of course resync it and it's going to work. So in some cases, this is like a common error you may be able to get. Now, of course, ChatGPT is doing this in version 5. You could tell it to do in version 6 because by default, this is going to use version 6. If I go to create new, you'll see, there we go, version 6 is the default. So that's essentially it. And of course, whenever you get some errors, if you do get some errors, hopefully not, but if you do, you can just copy the error, go back to ChatGPT, tell it, hey, it's working, but I got this error, so please can you fix it for me? It's gonna fix that error, then copy the new generated code, come back in here, paste it, or fix the code that's already in there, because usually those are gonna be some minor tweaks. And then when you do that, you can just refresh it with the button you're able to see, and of course you can then add it back to your chart and it's going to work, okay? So that's how to create an indicator in TradingView using ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.